Tonight's Exercism challenge is RNA transcription, and I'll just read from the README. So the challenge is, if you're given a DNA strand, you should return its RNA complement as per the transcription. So both DNA and RNA strands are a sequence of nucleotides. So there are 4 nucleotides found in DNA, which is adenine, represented by the letter A, cytosine, represented by the letter C, guanine, G, and thymine, D, T. So yes, and the complementary RNA nucleotides are, for adenine is A, cytosine C, guanine G, and uracil U. So given a DNA strand in this challenge, its transcribed RNA strand is found by replacing each nucleotide with its complement. So guanine should be C, which is cytosine, and cytosine should be guanine, and sorry, I'm not really biology, but yeah. And thymine should be adenine, that's RNA, and adenine DNA should be uracil in RNA. So that's the description of the challenge. So the test says like, so it should be complementary, and each DNA nucleotide should match the RNA nucleotide. So I'm just going to go to the challenge, and I will just be doing it live here. I didn't have much time to prepare for this, so I'll just, I hope you all follow along as I go. So my first will be to create a class. So according to the test is complements. And then I'll create a method, which is complement. Okay, and then I'll create a method self. Yeah, of DNA. Of DNA. And I will form, let's say, DNA here, and I'll put an end there. Before that, because there's this complementary, according to the README, there's a complementary where complementary nucleotides. So I might just create maybe an hash from the nucleotide from the DNA to the RNA. So I will do maybe here, do RNA. RNA, let's say RNA strand is equals to this one. Copy. Okay. Okay, I'll just put proper. Yeah, okay, so sorry, it's not very good syntax. So let's say RNA strand will equal this, the DNA, this is the DNA part, and that's the RNA converted. And I have created a method of DNA. Oh, so I have to do more anyway, but let's see the test. So the test says empty sequence. See what passes at the moment. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. So only one test passes. So the next one is to match that the complement of the DNA matches the RNA. So we'll do, maybe let's call the DNA an array. DNA array. Maybe not. Okay, maybe just I will use the .each method. DNA .each character dot sorry, excuse me. I'll just go DNA array is equal to DNA dot split. And then go RNA dot array is equals to I'll just use dot map. DNA array dot map. Let's say character, whatever. You can put I there for just a character. So for it goes through the array and yep, RNA strand and yep, and then return. Let's see what passes. If it passes any tests.
You're just missing the some of the do syntax for your map there. Gael.
What's that?
Your map is missing the usual do and end.
Oh yeah, do and end. Yes. So I just want to do, and then end here. And thanks, Matt.
You're welcome. We can't see your terminal either, but I'm assuming the tests are going great.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. No, I have passed actually 2 tests. I'll show you my terminal. Sure. Actually, I'll do this. Can you see my screen with my new terminal?
I can indeed.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so not all the tests are passing. Maybe return. No. Okay. I'll try something else with this.
You're really close, Gael. You're returning you're an array instead of a string. So you probably want to do something with your array.
Oh, okay. So maybe I should. So I'm returning. Oh, yeah, I should do join. Okay. Okay. Join. See if that will work.
Yeah, unfortunately, you've also your one end. And so if you just move that code that you just wrote up an end.
Oh yeah, no, this end.
Ooh.
Well, yeah. All right. Yeah. All the tests pass. Yep. That's it.
That's one of the tests passing.
Yeah, that's one. Okay. That one passed, and then
you have to comment out the word skip from the test, so you can run all of them and see which is failing.
he was talking about inside of the test
Fine.
file itself.
Oh, the test file itself.
Yeah, so if you go to the RNA and transcription test file, you see skip there, and the word skip on like line 12. You need to take those out because at the moment they're stopping the test from running.
Oh, sorry.
All right.
Yeah, wait.
Congratulations.
Oh, yeah, all of them passed.
That's what it, Gail.
Yep, oh, yeah, all of them passed. Sorry.